أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. We celebrate India's 78th Independence Day. The freedom of our country is not an effort of individual, it is an collaborative effort of many. The young, youth, elders, women and wealthy of our society have participated in the struggle for the freedom of our country. Even children like me also participated on that day. Ulama, they are the religious scholars. They are the basic reason for all those people participate and fight freedom of our country. They instill their thirst in every Jummah platform. Islam opposes slavery. We are only slaves to Allah. We are not slaves to anyone. We are not enslaved to anyone. Don't be enslaved to anyone. No one's freedom should not be taken away. We should not give up our freedom. In every Jummah, the ulama shouted that love and protection of motherland is aspect faith. They created a desire for freedom among people. Alims have always been responsible for many upheavals and positive changes in country and in the town. In 2019, there was an attempt to bring the citizenship amendment in our country. To act NRC and NPR. The Alims explained the people about its dangerous constitution, and Shahin Bagh was held everywhere in India, starting from Delhi. Similarly, when the Uniform Civil Code was created, it was the Alims explained the people about its perversity. That's why we oppose this Uniform Civil Code. Not only that, the Deoband Ulama issued a fatwa not to study English and not to follow the dress and culture of Britain. Shah Abdul Aziz Pahlavi Rahmatullahi Alayhi declared this land as a war zone. Maulvi Kazim Nanutawi Rahmatullahi Alayhi. It was a religious duty to drive the British people on of the country. We should remember that Alims have registered their views and against the British people, and they created a thirst for freedom among people. And Sayyid Ahmadullah Shah, who was born and brought up in Chennai, lived in Uttar Pradesh and travelled to different parts of North India during the freedom struggle to sow the seed of revolution. At a public meeting, thousands of people gathered at Lucknow, and he proclaimed the slaughter in English and wiped them out of the land. Only then we can defend our motherland. Abdul Hamid Bakawi, who had ulama, he proclaimed that no ulama should attend the marriage of bridegroom who did not wear khadi. Not one or two, but hundreds of incidents took place. Therefore, Alims have made many innumerable sacrifices in this land for the freedom. Allah be pleased with them and grant them paradise. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.